Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Wow, what a tiring day. Nothing interesting is happening.
I know, right? Let's entertain ourselves with jokes and riddles.
Good idea. You tell a joke first.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award?
I don't know. Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
That was good. Now it's my turn. What has keys but can't open locks?
A piano?
Yes, you guessed right.
Why don't scientists trust atoms?
I'm not sure. Why?
Because they make up everything.
That's clever. Let me tell a riddle this time. What gets wet while drying?
I think I've heard this one. Towel?
Exactly. You're good at this.
Thanks. Here's a short one. What has a heart that doesn't beat?
Oh, that's easy. An artichoke.
Nice one. Do you know any animal jokes?
Sure. Why don't elephants use computers?
I give up. Why?
Because they're afraid of the mouse.
Mouse, that's funny.
Your turn again.
Why did the bicycle fall over?
Why?
Because it was too tired.
That was good.
Let's try some what am I riddles.
Okay, I'll start. I have cities, but no houses. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. What am I?
That's tricky. A map?
Yes, you're really smart.
Thanks. My turn. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?
Is it an echo?
Yes, exactly.
Wow, that was a good one.
Should we try some food jokes?
Okay, Why did the tomato turn red?
Because it saw the salad dressing.
That's a classic.
Why was the math book sad?
I don't know. Why?
Because it had too many problems.
Oh, that's so true.
Do you want to hear a joke about time travel?
Sure, but you didn't tell it yet.
Exactly.
Wait. Oh, I get it. Because it's about time travel, you didn't tell it yet. Clever.
You're quick.
Let me tell one. Why don't skeletons fight each other?
I have no idea. Why?
Because they don't have the guts.
No guts? I like that.
We should do more riddles.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What has a face and two hands, but no arms or legs?
A clock.
Right. We're running out of jokes.
Let's make it a bit longer. How about some puns?
Okay. I used to be a baker, but I couldn't make enough dough.
Dough. I told a joke about a watch, but time's up.
Oh, that's a good one. Why?
Why did the student eat his homework?
Why?
Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake.
I love that one.
We should do this again. This was fun.
Definitely. Same time tomorrow?
It's a plan.